Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today we actually replace the seals in this leveling jack because it was leaking, and it's not too difficult, but be prepared to have some time. You want to see how I do it? Stick around. Alright, something I noticed really quickly, you'll notice there's actually a couple extra grooves in here on the top. See if I can zoom in for you a little bit. Yeah, these two extra grooves. And what's cool about that is they actually gave you a grease fitting for that. I need to hammer that in, but my existing one does not have a grease fitting. So this is a little bit of an upgrade from what I had. But the rest looks exactly the same. So let me continue on by adding this grease fitting in the O-rings, and we can put this thing back together. Alright, so there's a washer and an O-ring. The O-ring goes on top when the threads are facing downward. So you just kind of work your way around. There you go. I broke the seal, of course. Alright, I know what I did wrong. There's two different rings in here. I put it in the second ring down. You need to put it in the first ring. And unfortunately, I've ruined this one. So that is a big bummer. And I'm not sure what to do about that. The good news is this is only supposed to be the grease area, but I should probably go ahead and order a new one of these. Hey guys, my name's Zach Manring. I just ordered some parts from you. Alright guys, so we got the part in. Took 9 days to get this shipped over to me. Mostly because it's on the West Coast, I'm on the East Coast, but yeah, we got the part. I'm very lucky to finally find the part. And let's install it, and hopefully it works out. it's installed, and it was a little bit more difficult than I thought. In fact, what I did was, and I can show you a close-up, what I did was I, instead of putting the bolts back in straight, I flipped them around and had the bolts come out and put the nuts on the outside, because it was just way too difficult to get your hands in there and tighten it down. But let's see if it works. Well, there you have it, folks. Hopefully that shows you that it's not too difficult to knock out yourself. The kit is about 120, 130 bucks. I got it from a place called PDX. I'll leave a link down below. They're not sponsored or anything, but it was very helpful to find that. This is a 99 Fleetwood bounder, so the jacks up front are the Powergear jacks. They're like 9,000 pound jacks. The ones in the rear are 12,000 pound jacks. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. This is the day after, and it hasn't been leaking, so I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Now, if you don't break the seal like I did, you can probably knock this out in about 4 hours. So hopefully that's helpful, folks, and thanks for watching. I will see you next time.